Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on iPad iOS 18. To start, feel free to check the links in the description below for bonuses and tools that might help you with our topic in this video. First, let's just go to our settings. From the options at the left, let's go to display and brightness. Let's scroll down. From the options at the left, let's scroll down a bit and go to wallpaper. We can then tap on add new wallpaper here, or you can also swipe through all your old wallpapers in here. But to change it, we can either click on customize or select add new wallpaper. I'm just gonna select add new wallpaper, and in here you can set all of these as your wallpaper. You can go to photos and select a photo from your camera roll. You can also do photo shuffle, live photo, emoji, color, astronomy, and weather. Now for iOS 18 specifically, we can scroll down and you can see an iPadOS 18 section right here. These wallpapers can change dynamically with the time. So we can scroll to the left on here, and as you can see, these wallpaper are changing colors with time. So we can select this one right here with a changing color preview, and you can then customize the time, add widgets, customize their font and color, and just click on add at the top right. And you can either set them as a wallpaper pair, or you can also customize the home screen to make the home screen different from your lock screen's wallpaper. I'm just gonna select set as wallpaper pair, and that is how you can basically change wallpaper on iPad. Thanks for watching, and again, you can check out the links in the description box for more resources to help you get started. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.